Hey there, and welcome back to Cash is Ching. If your credit score is stopping you from getting that dream house, car, or even a better interest rate, don't stress. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your credit score, fast. We're talking about real practical steps you can take right now to boost your score and take control of your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear step-by-step plan to make your credit work for you, instead of against you. Let's jump in. Did you know a low credit score could cost you thousands of dollars in extra interest? Not only that, it can stop you from getting approved for an apartment, a car loan, even some jobs. But here's the good news. Your credit score isn't permanent, and you have the power to change it, and I'm going to show you how. Before we start fixing your score, let's break down what actually affects it. Your credit score is made up of 5 key factors. Number 1, payment history, 35%. This is the biggest factor. If you've missed payments, this is hurting your score the most. Number 2, credit utilization, 30%. How much of your available credit are you using? Maxing out your cards? That's dragging your score down. Number 3, credit age, 15%. The longer you've had credit, the better. Closing old accounts can actually hurt your score. Number 4, credit mix, 10%. Having a mix of credit, like credit cards and loans, helps. And number 5, new credit inquiries, 10%. Applying for too much credit at once? That can temporarily lower your score. Now that you know what affects your credit score, let's talk about how to fix it. Step 1, check your credit report and fix errors. First things first, you need to check your credit report. You'd be surprised how many people have mistakes on their reports that are hurting their scores without even realizing it. You can check yours for free at annualcreditreport.com once a year. Here's what you need to look for. Accounts you don't recognize. Incorrect late payments, fraudulent activity, wrong balances. Find an error, dispute it immediately. Credit bureaus have 30 days to investigate, and if they can't verify the info, they have to remove it. And that alone could give your score a quick boost. Step 2, pay down credit card balances and a credit utilization hack. One of the fastest ways to raise your credit score? Lower your credit utilization. Basically, this means reducing how much of your available credit you're using. Ideally, you want this number to be under 30%. But if you really want to see your score jump, try keeping it below 10%. Here's how to make that happen. Make an extra payment before your statement closes. Request a credit limit increase, but don't spend more. Pay down high balances first. Even a small decrease in your balance can make a difference. So, start today. Step 3, remove late payments and collections. Late payments? Collections? Don't panic, there's a way to fix them. If you missed a payment but usually pay on time, send a goodwill letter to your lender. Sometimes if you have a good track record, they'll remove the late payment from your report. Got a collection account? Do not just pay it right away. First, try negotiating a pay-for-delete agreement. This means they remove the negative mark in exchange for payment. But remember, always get it in writing first. Step 4, add positive credit history to fast-track your score. Fixing the negatives is great, but you also need to add positive credit history. Here's how you can do it. Become an authorized user. Ask a trusted family member to add you to their credit card. Their good history gets added to your report. Credit Builder loans. These small loans help you build credit and are available at most banks and credit unions. Secured credit cards. If you're struggling to get approved for a regular card, a secured card is a great way to build credit fast. Bonus tip, use Experian Boost to add utility and phone bill payments to your credit report for free. Step 5, avoid common mistakes and stay on track. Now that you're working on improving your credit, here are a few mistakes to avoid. Closing old accounts. Even if you don't use a card, keeping it open helps your credit age. Applying for too much credit. Hard inquiries can lower your score temporarily. Not monitoring your credit. Use free tools like Credit Karma or Experian to track your score and get alerts. Improving your credit is all about making small, smart decisions and staying consistent. And that's it. The fastest ways to fix your credit score. Remember, this isn't an overnight process. but if you follow these steps, you'll see real improvement faster than you think. If this video helped, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on money and credit. And let me know in the comments, what's your biggest credit challenge right now? Let's fix it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.